Alright, well, you definitely can tighten this thing down too tight, because I feel like it even knows where to go, because like right there it's making that sound. I'm not sure exactly what that is. If I just go just until the sound's not being made, right there, and these pins all line up perfect, which it's for safety. You know, that thing does, you don't want that thing to spin off. It'd be a freak show on the highway. It's kind of like a freight train. I'm just gonna take my pick and just bend it. Bend one of those jokers. Up one there. Let's pick another. This one. Now, when I took this apart, there was only one bent, but I mean, there's 5 of them. So what the heck? All right, that is that, man. I can't wait to fire this thing up. Now, this thing sat in here for a little while. I don't know, maybe 3 weeks it's been in here in the garage. One thing I noticed is there's a little tiny drip of oil there, which I don't like. Probably. I can just see this. There's a clip up in here somewhere. The holder for it. It's just like that. And this up. Right there, but there's a clip holder. Oh. Yep, yeah, you're not going to be able to see that probably. Man. Oh. Damn, I think I could do this easier from the wheel well. There she is. As you can see, there's a little clippy up in there. Oh. And they do nice work on these cars. Alright, I'm going to shut this, and then we're going to fire this car up.